Hi friends, good morning. Have a nice day and pleasant day. Today we are in St. John's Hospital, Koramangala. So you can see the beautiful nature in our hospital. Our hospital is so neat and tidy, and it is something like previous green city as the Bangalore was. So whenever you enter our premises, you will find only greenery. Not only greenery, here the patients are treated so well and happy. So we all want you to support St. John's Hospital for the best treatment, and we all must come and get treated here for a good health. Thank you. Bye.